Oh, oh. Why did you go to the store? I had a reason. Listen. I went to the shop to buy some bread. I went to the bedroom to rest my head. I turned on the news to see the rain. I took a pill to stop the pain, to buy, to see, to stop, to rest. I did my best to pass the test. Why did you call to hear your voice? Why did you leave? I had no choice. I studied hard to learn the skill. I climbed the mountain, see the hill. Infinitive of purpose, tell me why. I opened the window to see the sky. Paris to learn some art. He wrote a song to break her heart. We saved our money to buy a house. I stayed quiet to catch a mouse, to learn, to break, to buy, to catch, to strike a light. I used a match. Why did you call to hear your voice? Why did you leave? I had no choice. I studied hard to learn the skill. I climbed the mountain, see the hill. Infinitive of purpose, tell me why. I opened the window to see the sky. I went there for milk. I went there to buy milk. Verb, to do something. That's the reason. I came here to sing for you. I came here to say I love you, to be with you. That's why. Why did you call to hear your voice? Why did you leave? I had no choice. I studied hard to learn the skill. I climbed the mountain, see the hill. Infinitive of purpose, tell me why. I opened the window to see the sky. Why did you call?